Why clients think your work is slow, expensive, or low quality. Have you ever had a client say things like, "This took longer than expected. Can you lower your price?" This isn't quite what I was expecting. It may sound like three different complaints, but in Lean Six Sigma, they're usually symptoms of one problem. Today, I'm going to show you a simple framework that helps you understand almost every process issue you'll encounter as a freelancer or remote worker. It's called QCD. What is the problem? One mistake many freelancers make is treating every client complaint as unique. A missed deadline gets one solution, a quality issue gets another, a pricing concern gets another. The result? You're constantly putting out fires instead of fixing the real process. Before jumping into solutions, ask yourself, is this a quality issue, a cost issue, or a delivery issue? That's where QCD comes in. QCD stands for quality. Did you deliver what the client expected? Were there errors? Did they have to ask for revisions? Cost. Are you spending more time than you planned? Are revisions eating into your profit? Are you charging too little for the effort required? Delivery. Did you meet the agreed timeline? Did the client wait longer than expected? Were there unnecessary delays? Almost every issue falls into one or more of these three categories. Instead of saying, everything is going wrong, you can now say, the main issue is delivery, or the real issue is quality. That immediately makes the problem easier to solve. Example, let's say you're a virtual assistant. A client keeps requesting revisions. At first glance, it looks like a quality problem. But after applying QCD, you realize quality wasn't the real issue. The client never clearly explained what success looked like. The poor requirements caused revisions. The revisions increased your costs. And they delayed the project. One unclear requirement created problems in all three areas. That's why the first step isn't fixing. It's classifying the problem correctly. Key takeaway. Whenever something goes wrong in your work, don't immediately ask, how do I fix this? Instead ask, is this a quality, cost, or delivery issue? Once you've identified the category, choosing the right Lean Six Sigma tool becomes much easier. And that's exactly what this playlist is about. Each episode will introduce one practical Lean Six Sigma tool that helps solve a specific work problem. If you're finding these lessons helpful, subscribe, because I'll be releasing the rest of this 10-part playlist covering the most useful Lean Six Sigma tools for freelancers and remote workers. If you want a quick reference guide, I've put together a Lean Six Sigma Tools for Different Situations ebook for just $2. It helps you quickly decide which tool to use depending on the problem you're facing. You'll find the link in the description. And if you're ready to go beyond individual tools, check out my Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt for Freelancers program. You'll get lifetime access to the complete course, practical templates, and monthly live coaching calls where we discuss real problems from actual freelance projects. In the next video, we'll answer another common question. Why do clients sometimes leave satisfied, while others aren't impressed, even when you delivered exactly what they asked for? The answer lies in one of my favorite Lean Six Sigma tools, the Kano model. I'll see you there.